Hi lovelies, let me quickly show you how to transform your fresh peppers to this spicy and colorful powdered pepper. Oh yes, it's so easy to make, and guess what? Fresh peppers are in season now. This can actually stay on your countertop for years. Let's dive right in. We are using fresh scotch bonnet or habanero peppers. And to begin with, we place a pot of water on the fire and bring to a boil. And then we wash and transfer our peppers into a pot. And we proceed to pour the boiling water over the peppers. After pouring, we quickly cover the pot to trap in the steam. And we leave the pot covered for about 30 minutes. While that is going on, let's proceed to quickly clean our zinc. We are going to be drying our peppers on a sheet of zinc. Since zinc is a good conductor of heat, it's going to help to quickly dry these peppers. After about 30 minutes, we open our pot of peppers. As you can see, the hot water has helped to soften the peppers. I actually prefer this method to boiling because I kind of believe that boiling helps to reduce the spiciness in the peppers, the hotness in the peppers. So I prepare to just heat them up in boiled water and I proceed to drain and dry. So at this point, using a colander, let's drain out the water. You are welcome or welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time on this channel, please hit the subscribe button to join this amazing family. We have got a lot to share on this space. So we just drain out the water for a while and then it's time for us to dry our peppers. And I'll just go ahead to discard this water. I have no use for it. If you have any use for this water, please leave a comment in the comment section. Okay, let's proceed to dry our peppers, and we are about to sun dry our peppers. So we place our zinc in the sun and we proceed to spread our peppers on the zinc. You can dry your peppers on the back as well, but it's going to take a longer time. You know, peppers actually take so long to dry. So let's proceed to spread them all over the zinc, at least to facilitate the drying process. Can you imagine I bought these 10 liters full of peppers for 1,000 francs? Oh yes, peppers are so cheap at the moment. So cheap. Reason it's time to prepare and dry and store your peppers so that when peppers get so expensive, you begin to use this powdered pepper. And after 1 whole week, our peppers are very dry. I'm telling you, it took me 7 whole days to dry these peppers, and we are in the dry season with hot sun. So peppers actually take so long to dry. You can easily use a dehydrator for this, and in about 12 to 24 hours, you get this done. So we proceed to pack our peppers into a bowl. Take a look at our dry peppers. They are very dry. No moisture left in them. So we just proceed to transfer them into a bowl. This is just the right time for you to like this video. Please hit the like button below. It is absolutely free of charge and it's going to help YouTube to push this video to the right audience. So at this moment, as you can see, our peppers are ready for blending. So let's proceed to blend our peppers. But at this point, I did not trust my blender to do this job well. So I took my peppers to blend in the market. Oh yes, let us proceed to go blend these peppers in the market. So I did not actually bother to remove the stalks because I believe the stalks are part of the vitamin as well as fiber. So at this point, we are in the market and we are about to blend our peppers. And in my area, we commonly use this grinder. It's so fast and easy. And you will hardly get another stuff mixed with whatsoever you are blending. So I always prefer to use this particular grinder. You know, at times you go to grind something at the commercial blenders, you end up coming back with something else. But this particular grinder, no, you are sure of coming back with whatsoever you went to grind. Just opening. You are not scared. I thought you allow it settle before you are opening. Wow, the color is so beautiful. So within a short period of time, we get our peppers blended. Just take a look at the color. Just see the color of this pepper. So attractive, in fact. And the pepper is actually in the powdered form. This is just what I want. And so she had to grind bit by bit until we were able to grind our whole peppers. I think she did about 3 or 4 rounds. And it was not actually easy to withstand the smell of the peppers during grinding. But the lady grinding was just so indifferent, as if nothing was happening. She's already used to. And finally, it's time for us to take our peppers home and store in our desired containers. Before that, let's take a close look at our powdered pepper. In fact, the color is so amazing. The color is so beautiful. When you look at the dry peppers, you won't imagine that after blending you get this beautiful, in fact, turmeric-like color. Yeah. So I proceeded to store my peppers in these plastic containers, and this can last on your countertop for a very long time, for over years. So 10-liter heaped of fresh peppers is able to give us 3.5 of these plastic containers, and I think each is about 50 centiliters. So that is how much dried pepper we are able to get from 10 liters of fresh peppers. So I want to take this time to thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, and I will see you in another video. Bye bye.